Okay, so we're gonna start by making some hair pomade, whatever they call it. First you wanna get yourself a jar. We wanna get some beeswax pellets, which you can't see because we have a great cameraman today. And we're gonna smash and whack one, two, three, four, five heaped spoons, and we're getting 50 grams there. So what I'll do is, 50 is probably a good amount, to be honest. Let's do a little bit more. I'm gonna make it for 2 containers. We make this once and then it gives us enough. So I've stopped counting while I'm looking at the measurements. 70. About 70 there. So what you want to do is, we've got some boiling water. This has to be a glass jar. We whack the glass jar into the boiling water, let that boil, and we have fresh coconut oil. We're keeping this very simple. 2 ingredients: fresh beeswax from the ears of bees, and we're gonna whack that with some fresh coconut oil, which is oil from coconuts, and that will give us some amazing things that we will put on our hair. Really good, right? Shadow. Just make sure all the bits are melted, because some floaters. Smells so nice. Smells beautiful. Ooh, whacking that in. Make sure you get everything in.